Hey fitness fans, today I'm breaking down the Level Up Fitness app, how to use it, and most importantly, how to redeem those sweet promo codes. So Level Up Fitness is a mobile app focused on gamifying your workouts, turning exercise into a challenge with rewards and progress tracking. You can log workouts, track stats, and stay motivated with community features. So let us create the accounts. Okay, new save data, confirm. Okay guys, so in terms of how to use the app, just download it from the Play Store. Maybe if it's available on the App Store, I'm not sure. Then the app will generate a personalized plan based on the input you provide. Okay, understood. So let us choose the weekly rest days. So for example, Saturday and Sunday, enter. As you can see, we are prompted for a daily challenge, understood. And now guys, as you can see, we have different settings. You can start logging your workouts daily. The app tracks your progress and awards points. So now in terms of how to redeem points, as you can see, we have a bunch of tutorials. Okay guys, and now from the home screen, just press on the settings, and this is where we redeem our magical promo codes. As you can see on the very top, we have redeem codes. Enter the text right here, any text if you have a promo code, and then press on enter, and your promo code will be redeemed. So in general, that's how to use the app and redeem promo codes in it. Guys, hopefully enjoy. Press like, subscribe, and of course, see you in the next video.